Thank you for calling Service Online. This is Rain Rodriguez, Agent 124. How may I provide you excellent service today?
What is your name again?
Rain.
Oh, so your name is Rain?
No, it's Rain.
Okay. Alright, Rain. How are you doing today?
A little bit nervous.
Why are you nervous, Rain? Are you new to your company?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let me talk to your supervisor.
Oh, no.
Because the first one, I don't want to talk to somebody who doesn't know anything.
But miss, I want to talk to you.
But you're even nervous. How are you going to assist me with my concern if you're nervous?
Okay, I'm not nervous anymore. Miss?
Okay, fine. Make sure that you will assist me with my concern, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Okay. Are you ready na?
Okay.
Okay, miss. Thank you for calling Service Online Support. This is Ren.
Why are you saying that? No, don't say that again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I want to hear your voice saying your opening spiel again. Alright. So what are you saying?
How may I provide you excellent service today?
Okay. I want to cancel my account.
No problem, ma'am. No problem, ma'am. I can help you with that today. Do you have your order number handy?
Yes, my order number is, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
It's 1542504.
Okay. Thank you for that information, ma'am. But let me verify if I get you correctly. It's 1542504. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Good. Okay, ma'am. Let me verify. Can you please stay on the line for a minute while I pulling up your account?
Okay.
Okay. I'm already here.
Where are you?
I'm already in your account. I already found it.
Where are you?
Here in your account. Okay, ma'am. I see here I'm speaking with Nanny Smith. Is that correct?
What?
I mean Nancy Smith. And your number is 60.
I'm sorry. Repeat my name again.
Okay. I see here that in your account that I'm speaking with Nancy Smith. Is that correct?
Correct.
Good.